If you want to unlink your Google Wallet account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Payments. This section contains all payment methods linked to your Facebook account, including Google Wallet. Step 3. Manage Payment Methods. Under the Payments section, look for the Payment Methods option. Click on it to view all the payment methods you have added to your Facebook account. Step 4. Remove Google Wallet. Locate your Google Wallet account in the list of payment methods. Click on the option to remove or unlink it. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure it is successfully removed. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After removing Google Wallet, it is a good idea to refresh the page or log out and back into your Facebook account. Check the Payment Methods section again to ensure that Google Wallet is no longer listed. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Google Wallet from your Facebook account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.